Now, today we are coming with the Python. What is the Python? Python is a high-level and interpreted programming language. It is a cross-platform, work on the Windows, Mac, and Linux, even mobile in some cases. Versatility, used in web development, data science, data analytics, AI/ML, automation, IoT, and gaming, etc. Libraries ecosystem support. So, for example, Panda, NumPy for the using for the data analysis, scikit-learn, TensorFlow used for the machine learning, Flask and Degno for the web application. There is a very strong community support for the Python. So how we install the Python? So now installing the Python for the Windows or Mac. So just open the command prompt and just type the Python version. If you have already installed the Python, you can also see that. Else you can install the Python. We'll put the link in the description so that www.anaconda.com. Download. You can install this file for the Windows. Once Python installation file download, just install and launch the Anaconda. This is the Anaconda window. Once you done, it will take time, and then you launch the Jupyter Notebook. So through the Jupyter Notebook, we can do the coding. So in Jupyter Notebook, we just create the new notebook, and then we can see this prompt window, and then you start coding from here. We can print command, and we can take some variables and print it so that it is showing the automatic variable classes, and this is the case sensitive, and you can start the coding. And there's a lot of library which Python cover for the data transformation, NumPy, Panda, Jupyter, visualization, ML, NLP. So there are a lot of library inside the Python where we can use one by one. Millions of users rely on the Python, so there's a very strong community in Python. And then now, thank you for the skill guru. Please keep learning and subscribe our channel. I will come back with new videos, and you got the learning. Thank you.